In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money in N26. Withdraw cash from the bank. If you visit a branch of your bank, a representative will handle your transaction in person. Take your debit card or form of ID and your account details, and they can process withdrawal for you as long as you have enough funds. Withdraw cash via cashback. You can withdraw money at money retail stores when making a debit card purchase. The requested amount is added to your bill total, then given to you in cash. You will later see the withdrawal in your account statement. Withdraw cash using an ATM. ATM link your debit card to your checking account, giving you full access to your funds. As most machine accept all cards, you can most likely use any ATM no matter who you bank with. Withdraw cash with N26. Open an N26 account in minutes and you will receive a free virtual N26 debit MasterCard with free cash withdrawal each month at select ATMs. Better still, your premium U and metal accounts include unlimited free foreign currency withdrawals anywhere in the world. So by using these four methods, you can withdraw money in N26.